Hello guys, welcome. This is the FS channel. So today we'll be going through this bull market strategy right here. You can see we are running into a massive profit with a $12 account. You can see we are already running into a $3,000 plot, and this is a crazy strategy being used right here. So as you can see, we have a trade here on 1,000, and the trade was took right here. So we can see everything took right here, and then season you'll be able to hold this trade and make crazy money. So we got this setup right here from this trade. So you can see we got this setup right here, and then we make use of the strategies to take this trade, and then since then we'll be running to a massive profit. You can see we have a trade on 1,000 only, and I've already been making crazy money. So if you're new to the RS channel, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. Anytime we play strategy, you guys will be aware. And also with something guys, we offer account management. So no matter how small or big your equity is, just contact us for account management. Then we will be able to talk, and then we discuss about the terms, and then if you agree with the terms, then we are going to manage your account for you. So just contact the number you are seeing at the screen. It's a WhatsApp number. Just contact it, then we will be able to assist you guys out. So now with that being said, let's quickly jump into this strategy right here. So how you can implement this strategy also to make crazy money being trading. So now firstly, I'm going to show you guys the settings for this strategy, then we're just discussing about how you guys are going to make use of the strategy. So you can see I have a clean chart right here. So just go to this icon right here. If you want to add indicator, go to this icon right there. So I click on it, then click on the F plus, which you can see right here. Here's the F plus, then search for the moving average right here. So this is the moving average. Search for the moving average, then click on it. So the first moving average that we need, the parameter is going to be period is this 0, shift is 0, the period is 8, shift is 0. The method is simple, apply to close, and then this time I'm going to be using good color. So when it sets up like this, then we click on done, and then we are going to have your indicator right in your chart. And the next indicator we're going to be adding, we're also going to click on the F plus. Then we're also going to be adding our second moving average, so which is going to be, the period is going to be our 2, and the shift is also going to be 2. The method is exponential, and we are going to apply the color of black right here. So we're going to apply the color of black, then we click on done, and then you can see we have our indicator right in our chart. Now the next indicator we're going to be adding is going to be the RSI. So click on the F plus, search for your RSI, click on it, and then this is parameters for the RSI. The period is first one, apply to close. The size is not necessarily. Now what necessarily is the levels. We need the 10, 90, and 50 levels. So when set it up like this, then we click on done, and the chart look like this. So now we're going to add in our next indicator. So we need to add these two indicators right here, this indicator right here. So we'll be adding it one by one. Click on the F plus, search for moving average, search for the moving average, click on it, and then you need to first add this first moving average, click on done, and then you add the second one, which is 8, 0 right here. So it's very simple. Now we use the gold color. So now we are done with the settings of this strategy right here. So we are done with the settings. Now what remains now is that how we are going to be making use of the strategy probably. So now how to start making use of the strategy. Firstly, I want to show you guys that this strategy can be used on two different ways. which means that you can be using this strategy to take trades on mean to scalp, which means that catch 5 to 10 candles and then you are out of the market. And this strategy also used to catch some spike. Okay, so first you guys how you can use strategy to scalp, which seems to be the easiest one. So the first one to look out for is this right here. So we want to look at for this. We want to look at for this black moving average to come below the good moving average right here. When it comes below it and the price also go below the good moving average, then that's what we are going to take note of. Then you look out for your chart, which means that you want to see this two moving average touching the 90 levels of the RSI, and we want to see a crossover needs to happen right here. Same thing that happens right here needs to happen right here, and it also needs to touch the 90 levels of the RSI. So that's when you're going to want to be expecting to go for a sell, then catch your 10 candles and then you're out of the market. And essentially right here you can see we have this setup right here, which you can see we have all these criteria being met right here. But what makes this market spike and not giving us what we wanted is that you can see it's at the 50 levels of the RSI, so which means it's not touching the 90 levels, just 50 levels of the RSI, which is not clear entries. So that is all for a boom, and for crash it's just going to be the opposite direction. So that is that on that. So that's not what we came here for. Actually, that's not what we came here for. So now moving on to this strategy right here, moving on to the strategy that we need right here. So we are going to move on to a strategy now. This is what we need to understand about the strategy. Now the aim is to catch 5 candles on the 5-minute time frame. Okay, the aim is to catch 5 candles on the 5-minute time frame, and sometimes we might also catch some spike. Okay, now to catch 5 to 10 candles right in the market with this strategy, you need to make sure that all the criteria have been met, which means that when you see the black moving average, you need to come below the gold moving average, and we also see the price going below the gold moving average. And I want to see that, make sure you see these two moving average touching the 90 levels, and crossovers need to happen once it touch the 90 levels. You want to see that this criteria has been met right before jumping into any position. If you see these two moving average not touching the 90 levels of the RSI, I'm expecting that you should not enter any position, no matter how perfect the setup is on the main chart. You need to make sure that these criteria be met on the indicator on the one before you jump into any positions. And then now let's say you want to catch some spike with strategy right here. This is how we catch spike with the strategy. So now sometimes the market might touches 10 levels and not being spiking, because the market might still continue its downtrend. Now this is what we need to see right here to catch spike here on the 5-minute time frame. Now the first thing you want to see, make sure you see it touches at the 10 levels, and then the crossovers need to happen. You see that happens, then you look into your main chart. Now this is what you need to see. You want to see a spike moving below the gold moving average, which is that the price move above the low moving average. You can see the spike that move above the moving average. Now, so you are not just entering when it moves above the moving average, you are entering when it come back to touch the gold moving average. That is when you are expected to enter for your positions. Okay guys, so as simple this strategy is, let me look for another setup of spike right here. So you can see we have this right here. You can see touching the zoom now, touching the 10 levels of the RSI, and the crossovers happens. Then we look into our main chart, and then we see this right here. We see that the spike goes above the gold moving average, and then you come back toward the gold levels and then keep spiking to the downside. That's where we need these 50 levels to take our profit. Use the 50 levels to take our profit. Once you see the spike, see this market doing this right here, you can see when it spike touching, when this move to moving average touching the 50 levels of the RSI, then that's when we want to close your positions, and then you are out of the market. So I hope you guys found this video helpful. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notification. Anytime we post new strategy, you guys will be aware. So thank you guys. We'll see you in the next video.